In this video, I will teach you how to create a checklist in Google Docs. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. Here I am in Google Docs working on a home remodel project document, and I would like to create a little checklist for what needs to be done. Item number 1 might be meet with a designer, but I'd like this to come in with a checkbox in front of it. So instead of simply starting to type, what you can do is go up here in the toolbar. There's a button that looks like some check marks, and that's the checklist button. So you just click it, you get a checkbox, and now I can type meet with designer. I'll tap enter on the keyboard and I get another checkbox. Maybe step 2 is find an architect. I'll tap enter again and I get another checkbox. So this is pretty simple, it's powerful and effective. Now there is a keyboard shortcut for checkbox. And this is even better than going up here and clicking the button. To start a to-do list, or if you want a checkbox to appear in your Google Doc, all you have to do is type at and checklist. Tap enter and you get a checkbox. So that's a great way to keep your hands on the keyboard while you're working in Google Docs. Now, if you do that a lot, if you do the at checklist shortcut a lot, you'll notice that you don't even have to finish typing checklist. You can just type check, tap enter, and you get your checkbox. One last thing I'd like to show you is what if you already have a list of text, you've got some existing material, but you'd like to turn it into a checklist with checkboxes. What you can do is click and drag to highlight the text, and then go here to the toolbar and click checklist, and your existing text is turned into a checklist. Now at this point, it works just the way you would expect. As you accomplish the various items on your list, you can just click the checkbox and it marks it as done. You can see I've got 4 out of the 6 taken care of, and I'm moving forward. Now I want you to see that if you'd like, you can have subtasks. So for this, find a quiet place to record. I just tapped enter and then tab to indent a bit, and then I can type, tap enter, and I get another subtask list. So that's how you can create a checkbox or checklist in Google Docs. I showed you a couple of ways to insert them into your documents. We looked at how to convert existing data into a checklist and a few other bonus skills. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support the channel, the best way to do that is to become a channel member, but you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of channel merch, I really don't want you to miss this fabulous opportunity to get the most outstanding and gorgeous t-shirts available today. The Technology for Teachers and Students channel t-shirts. There are various colors, and you can learn more about these in the description below the video.